Class 10, good morning. Student, today I am going to start the topic arithmetic progression, or it is also called AP. Student, there is a one sequence. There is a one sequence. It is like that. There are the numbers 1, 3, 4, 8 and then 9. Student, as you are observing here, difference of the numbers that is not same. Here the difference of first two number is 2. Difference of next two number 3 and 4, which is 1. Difference of 4 and 8, it is 4. Difference of 8 and 9, which is 1. So we can say here difference that is not same. So we can say this progression is not AP. If the difference between the two numbers, or we can say the difference between two preceding numbers, that is same, then it is called AP. So let us write an AP here. Here AP is there are the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And so on. If we check the difference between the numbers, it is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here the difference between the numbers is constant, which is same. So we can say this progression is an AP. So question is, what is AP? If the difference between the numbers is constant, then it is said to be AP. Let me write one more AP. There is one more example. If we write 3, then 8, then 13, then 18, then 23 and so on. Let us check the difference. Difference between 3 and 8, it is 5. So since difference is constant, the difference between 3 and 8 is 5. Difference between 13 and 8 is 5. Difference between 18 and 13 is 5. Difference between 23 and 18 is 5. So this sequence is an AP. So we can say it is an AP. So in AP, corresponding difference that will be constant or it is same. Student, if we write an AP, then there is one logic. Let first term equal to A, and the corresponding difference is called common difference, and the common difference equal to D. Then AP can be written as A, comma A plus D, and A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. Student, if I will talk about the nth term. Then nth term is that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Student, you can observe that it is the second term and here there is a 1. Coefficient of d is 1. When there is a plus 2d, this is the third term. In the third term there is a 2. In the fourth term there is 3. This is the fifth term. In the fifth term there is a 4. If we write a 10th term, then that will be a plus 9d. A plus 9d is the 10th term. It is 10th term. Similarly, if we write nth term, then it is a plus n minus 1 into d. There is n. So, there is a formula of nth term. Nth term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the nth term. It is also called last term, so we can write L also. Sometimes it may be last term also. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, or it is also called the last term L. Students, see one question based on this formula. There is one of the example. Student, let there is a sequence 2, 6, 10, 14, 18 and 22 and so on. Find 20th term. Student, here first term a equal to 2. A is the first term. Here difference between the number, that is 4. 2 and 6. So here d equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 6, first term is 2, so it is 4. There is also 4, this difference is 4, that is 4. This way, this is an AP. Now, to find the 20th term, so here n equal to 20. N equal to 20. Now, d equal to 4, a equal to 2. This is the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So, a20 equal to 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d equal to 4. Then it is 2 plus 19 into 4. Now 19 4 ja 76. 2 plus 76. Then it is 78. So we can say the 20th term of this AP is 78. So A20 equal to 78. 20th term of this AP. Student, now find 50th term. A50 that we have to find. So A50 equal to A plus 49D. 50 minus 1 is 49. Here A equal to 2 plus 49 into D equal to 4. D equal to 4. Now 2 plus 4 9 is 36. Carry 3. 4 4 is 16. 16 and 3 19. Now it is 198. So we can say the 50th term A50 equal to 198. This is the 50th term.